and how can you get started with e-commerce even as a total beginner? Well, that is what I'm going to share with you in this video. E-commerce is when you buy and sell different services or products online, for instance in e-commerce stores, and get paid that way. It's also quite common that those that involved in e-commerce also build a list through the e-commerce site. It could be through emailing earlier buyers, or they can have a pop-up form on their e-com store. But how does a total newbie and beginner start with e-commerce? I use a site called Influx Entrepreneur that you can find a link to it through the link below to check it out yourself, where you don't need any coding experience, and it's very easy to set your first site up fast. It uses a drag and drop feature. And now you can even get started with a free trial. I'm going to tell you more about that shortly. But here you have different themes that you can choose to get started with, and then you just click on the red button, choose design. For instance, if we want this one, because here we have this theme. Should you change your mind or want another theme, then you just click this arrow here, and you will see a preview image when hover over the different themes. But anyway, we can have a look at this one we have chosen now to see how it looks. It's very high quality images and call to actions already, and you can change this theme in any way you want. So if you don't like the images, you can upload your own and so on, and edit the text, of course. And let's say that you want to use this site, then you just click on here, create website. There's the different packages you can choose. I think it will fit the different pricing options will fit anyone's finances, so to say. But you can pay monthly, quarterly, most inexpensive package for $6.95 per month, and then you get a 40-day. I'm not gonna go through all features, but here's the different pricing points. Here's the most advanced package for Pro for $97 a month. And then when you choose a package, let's say you want to go for the first starter package, then you just click on that. Choose a style for your site. Do not enter influxentrepreneur.com here. Just enter your URL, the name you want for your site, because the ending of the URL Influx Entrepreneur will be added automatically when you continue to next step, and the next step is for payment, and then you get automatically directed to your back office, WordPress back office, where you can start to create and maintain your site. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.